Hey guys, this is just a quick video on how to change your furnace's air filters. After posting the tip of the day today, I was asked by our female viewers on how to change the furnace's air filter. It's a very simple process. What you're going to need is a pack of air filters. These ones we buy at Costco. They come in a pack of 3. I'm not sure exactly how much they cost because my wife does the shopping and she goes to Costco. But I do know that they go on sale all the time because she only buys stuff that goes on sale. So let me show you how to put those in. So you're going to want to locate your furnace, and then right next to it is your air filter. As you can see, this one's very dirty. It's been almost 3 months, but you know, we have dogs, big dogs, so they get dirty pretty quick. So I'm going to grab a new one. When you replace them, you want to make sure that the arrow, or where's the arrow here? Right there, is facing towards the furnace. And then once you put that in there, you're good to go.